F-35, Lightning II, the most advanced fighter jet ever built. The F-35 Lightning II is not just another fighter jet. It's a multi-role, fifth-generation stealth aircraft that has redefined air combat in the 21st century. Developed by American defense giant Lockheed Martin, the F-35 stands at the pinnacle of modern aerial warfare, combining stealth, speed, agility, sensor fusion, and networked capabilities in a single powerful platform. Let's dive into what makes the F-35 so extraordinary, starting from its origin. The vision behind the F-35. In the 1990s, the U.S. Department of Defense sought a new aircraft that could replace a wide range of aging jets from the Air Force's F-16s to the Navy's FA-18s and the Marine Corps' AV-8B Harriers. Instead of developing separate jets for each branch, the Pentagon launched the Joint Strike Fighter program. The goal was ambitious: build one highly adaptable fighter that could serve all three military branches and even U.S. allies. After a fierce competition, Lockheed Martin's X-35 beat Boeing's X-32 in 2001. The result was the birth of the F-35 Lightning II, named in honor of the World War II-era P-38 Lightning. 3 variants, 1 core platform. The F-35 comes in 3 main variants, each tailored to specific operational needs. F-35A conventional takeoff and landing used by the U.S. Air Force and many international partners. Most maneuverable of the 3 variants, equipped with an internal 25mm cannon. F-35B used by the U.S. Marine Corps, UK Royal Navy, and others. Can operate from short runways or small carriers like amphibious assault ships. Features a unique lift fan for vertical landings. F-35C designed for U.S. Navy aircraft carriers. Larger wings and stronger landing gear for carrier landings. Longest range of all F-35 variants. Despite their differences, all 3 share the same core design, software, avionics, and stealth features, making maintenance and upgrades far more efficient across allied forces. One of the F-35's most critical features is its stealth. Designed from the ground up with low observable technology, the F-35 can avoid detection by enemy radars, allowing it to penetrate deep into contested airspace. Its radar-absorbing materials, internal weapons bays to avoid external radar reflections, and angular design reduce its radar cross-section dramatically, making it appear on enemy radar like a small bird, if at all. Stealth gives the F-35 a critical edge. It can see the enemy before being seen. And in modern warfare, that advantage can be the difference between victory and defeat. Advanced avionics and sensor fusion. Beyond stealth, the F-35 is packed with some of the most advanced electronics in the world. Its distributed aperture system gives pilots 360-degree awareness, showing infrared images of the battlespace even through the floor of the cockpit. Its active electronically scanned AERA radar provides long-range detection and tracking of air and ground threats, while the electro-optical targeting system supports precision targeting in any condition. What sets the F-35 apart is sensor fusion. The aircraft takes data from its many onboard sensors, merges it into one intuitive display, and shares it with other friendly assets. This turns the F-35 into a flying command center, capable of guiding other jets, ground troops, and even naval vessels in real-time. Helmet that sees everything. The F-35's helmet is a marvel of modern engineering. Developed by Elbit Systems and Collins Aerospace, the Gen 3 helmet-mounted display system costs around $4,000, but it's worth every dollar. Instead of looking down at gauges or displays, the pilot sees everything on the helmet visor: speed, altitude, targeting data, even night vision. Through the DAS, the pilot can look through the jet, seeing the ground or enemies below the aircraft regardless of orientation. This means zero blind spots and total awareness day or night in any weather. Weapons and combat capability. Though it's stealthy, the F-35 is no lightweight when it comes to firepower. Internally, it can carry 2 AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles for air-to-air combat, 2 2,000-pound precision-guided bombs like JDAMs or GBU-12s. For higher threat missions, it can carry external weapons on its wings, sacrificing some stealth for beast mode, enabling up to 22,000 pounds of mixed munitions, more than any previous stealth jet. It can also carry AIM-9X Sidewinder missiles, small-diameter bombs, anti-ship missiles, and even nuclear payloads for strategic missions. F-35A, performance and maneuverability. While not as acrobatic as the F-22 Raptor, the F-35 is still highly maneuverable. Its single Pratt & Whitney F-35 engine delivers 43,000 pounds of thrust, allowing speeds up to Mach 1.6 and a range of over 1,200 nautical miles without refueling. Thanks to advanced flight controls and aerodynamics, it can perform tight turns, quick climbs, and evasive maneuvers with ease. The F-35B's vertical landing capability is especially impressive. It can hover, rotate, and land on a dime. Global reach and allied force integration. Over a dozen U.S. allies have invested in the F-35 program, including the UK, Israel, Japan, Italy, Australia, and others. This not only strengthens global defense cooperation, but also enables interoperability in joint missions. With more than 2,000 jets planned globally and over 1,000 already delivered as of 2025, the F-35 is rapidly becoming the dominant fighter of the free world. Battle-proven record. Although it is a relatively new aircraft, the F-35 has already seen combat in several regions. Israel was the first to use it in real combat operations. U.S. forces have deployed it in the Middle East, Pacific, and Eastern Europe. It has flown missions against terrorist groups, defended NATO airspace, and trained for future peer-to-peer conflicts. Its ability to strike deep into enemy territory, share data in real time, and return undetected makes it a valuable asset in any conflict scenario. Criticism and cost. The F-35 program has not been without controversy. With a total program cost exceeding $1.7 trillion, it is the most expensive weapons project in history. Early on, the jet faced software delays, cost overruns, and reliability issues, prompting criticism from politicians, analysts, and even military leaders. However, in recent years, the jet has matured. Operational availability has increased, costs have stabilized, and feedback from pilots has become overwhelmingly positive. The future of the F-35. As the global threat landscape changes, the F-35 is continuously being upgraded. New software blocks like Block 4, improved engines, longer-range weapons, and AI-assisted targeting are all in development. The jet is also becoming central to multi-domain operations, integrating air, land, at sea, space, and cyber warfare into one connected battlefield. In many ways, the F-35 is more than just a fighter jet. It's the foundation of a future networked military force. Conclusion, the F-35 Lightning II is the most advanced, versatile, and widely deployed fifth-generation fighter in the world. With unmatched stealth, high-tech sensors, and powerful weapons, it has reshaped the air superiority equation for the United States and its allies. It's not just a weapon, it's a strategic force multiplier, a data hub, and a symbol of military dominance. Whether flying solo over enemy territory or leading a swarm of drones and jets in formation, the F-35 is the future. And the future is already here. Thanks for watching video. Be happy and successful.